Okay, just one important aspect of this Pancake box. If you notice, it's a metal box and it had knockouts out of it, and I took a knockout out so that when I put it up in here, it's for this wire, okay? Well, technically, you're supposed to put a grommet or something on this box because you don't want the wire to to fray this or something. That's if you're up like in an attic or something and somebody is walking around and they step, you don't want this wire to hit there and rub on that. This is up in here. There's no attic up here. Nobody's ever going to get to it. I could have put one of those snap-in little grommets that fit in there, that slip on there. I probably should have looked at that at the store, but I didn't. So we're not going to use it, but it's still going to be okay. They would have to do this landscaping right now, huh? Now I was able to put that in because I pre-drilled these holes.
A little bit harder.
Yeah, the battery's getting a little low too. Okay, now, see, I've got this wire, and I'm just going to strip the wire back now. Be careful with this. I got a sharp knife, and they have a little special tool for this, but most electricians don't use it. Just taking the outside sheeting out, like that, and cut that off. The ground wire's got paper around it, cut that off. Okay, now this is going to be up in here like this, and I've got the ground wire. Now the ground wire, I've already got it attached. I'll have it attached at the existing electrical. Can you hand me my Phillips, please? Okay. It's already attached up there. In this box, what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo my mounting screw. Well, maybe I shouldn't do that. I think there's another. I think I'm going to put another little screw up there. I was thinking about putting the ground wire on the back side of the mounting screw, but that's probably not a very good idea. I'm going to put another screw up in here, and then I'm going to wrap this around that, and that's going to attach it to the metal box. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.